Hello, my friends. Today, I want to remind you that you are not a victim of your circumstances. You are a warrior, equipped to overcome any challenge that comes your way. You are stronger than you think, more capable than you realize, and more resilient than you could ever imagine. You have the power to overcome any obstacle, no matter how big or small. You were created to succeed, designed to win, and anointed to prosper. You have a purpose, a destiny, and a calling that only you can fulfill. So never let anyone tell you that you can't achieve your dreams, that you're not good enough, or that you don't have what it takes. Because the truth is, you are more than enough. You are a force to be reckoned with, a powerhouse of potential, and a conqueror of challenges. You have the power to transform your life, to create the future you deserve, and to leave a legacy that will inspire generations to come. So don't ever give up, don't ever quit, and don't ever let anyone dim your light. Because when you believe in yourself, when you trust your instincts, and when you take action towards your goals, you will achieve greatness beyond your wildest dreams. And when you look back on your life, you will be proud of all that you have accomplished, all that you have overcome, and all that you have become. So my friends, I encourage you to embrace your challenges, to face them head on, and to use them as stepping stones to your success. Remember, every time you overcome an obstacle, you become stronger, more resilient, and more confident in your abilities. You have within you the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. You are equipped to overcome any challenge that comes your way. So be bold, be courageous, and never give up on your dreams. Believe in yourself, trust in your abilities, and take action towards your goals every single day. And before you know it, you will have overcome every obstacle in your path and achieved the greatness that you were always destined for. So rise and shine, my friends, and go out there and conquer your dreams, knowing that you are equipped to overcome anything.